Good morning, family. Today will be a nice day together.
Good morning, everyone. I feel fresh and ready today.
Are we going to the zoo today? I kept thinking about it.
Yes, that is our plan today. But first, we start the morning slowly.
I'm still sleepy. But I want to see the animals.
We have time. Let's brush our teeth first.
Clean teeth make us feel fresh. It helps us wake up.
The mint flavor is nice. It wakes me up quickly. Look at these bubbles. They look funny.
Breakfast is ready. Come sit down, everyone.
We have eggs, toast, and warm milk today.
It smells wonderful. I'm really hungry now. Mom, may I have more milk, please? Oh.
Of course. Drink slowly and carefully.
All right, everyone. Time to get dressed now.
Wear comfortable clothes today. We will walk a lot.
Laie, sup guy? These sneakers are perfect. They are very comfortable. Look, I can do it myself now.
Excellent work. Learning independence is important.
All right, everyone. Let's head to the zoo.
Seatbelts on, everyone. Safety comes first.
Thank you for listening. That helps our family a lot.
The city looks so busy today. There are many cars. One big bus, 2 motorbikes. I can count them.
Yes, mornings are like this. Many people go to work.
Let's make a plan. We will stay together and walk slowly.
I want to see the giraffes first. They are my favorite. I want monkeys and lions. And maybe a penguin too.
Remember our rule. We stay close to each other.
If you feel lost, stop right away. Stay where you are.
Wow, the zoo is so big.
It feels like a new world. Look at this map. There are many paths here.
Let's start with the giraffes. They are over there. Whew.
Their necks are so long. They look like gentle giants. They walk so slowly. But they are very tall.
Animals have their own habits. Watching them teaches us patience.
Come on. Now look at the elephants. They are calm and strong.
I like how they stay close. They look like a family.
Yes, family care matters everywhere. Even for animals.
Ha! 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 Monkeys! I want them both, sir. I want to see them closer.
Peter, please wait. Stay with us. Yeah. Huh.
Hello? Mom! I can't see Peter now. He was right here.
Oh no! Peter, where are you?
Oh. Stay calm, Nancy. We will search carefully.
Oh, Peter! Can you hear me? Peter!
I feel scared. What if he is crying?
We will find him soon. Let's not panic.
Wait, he knows our rule. Stop and stay still.
Yes, he remembers. Let's check near the monkey area.
I can't see my family. My heart feels scared.
Breathe, Peter. Stay calm.
Mom said, "Stop and stay here. I will wait right here. I will not run. They will come back for me."
Peter! Oh, thank goodness! We found you!
Mom, Dad, I stayed here like you said.
Oh, Peter, we're so proud of you. Thank goodness you're safe.
You did the right thing. Staying still was smart.
I was so worried. I'm so happy you're safe.
I'm so glad you stayed here. That helped us find you quickly.
That was smart thinking. Staying calm helps a lot.
Now I understand why rules are important.
Yes, when we stay together, we stay safe.
Next time I will walk closer to you.
All right, team. Let's enjoy the zoo again.
Walking together feels better. Everyone smiles again. Look! Look! Penguins are over there. Oh. They walk funny. I like them.
Huh? Seeing you happy makes me happy too.
Let's see one more animal before we leave.
more animal. Yes, one more animal. Thank you for finding me. Thank you for finding me.
We will always look for you. We know.
Oh,
We love you.
thanks, Mom.
All right, everyone. Let's head home. How?
The ride home feels quiet and peaceful.
Everyone looks tired now. Now,
It was a long day. But it was a good day.
My feet are tired, but my heart is happy. Today I learned something important.
real life teaches us the best lessons.
We're home. Yep, welcome back.
Welcome back.
I want to sit and relax now. Me too. Today was a big adventure. I know, right? What a day.
Days like this help us grow together.
Family time and safety always come first. And the day ends with a calm and happy family.